Hi doll, today I'm doing something a little bit different. Okay, let me take these off. A drag tutorial, makeup look. So really quick, I'm gonna put my contacts in, I'm gonna go shave my face, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I'm literally bald, can we just take a moment? This is so weird looking. A little bit of color corrector. And just areas. And then you want to powder that so that way your foundation doesn't get gray. Okay, so this foundation, I got this on Amazon. This is the Dermacol Foundation. Coverage, it's so good. Like, it's literally like paint. Like, wow. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlight. I'm going to go in with this white Morphe concealer. And I'm just going to go in and then already, like, without even contouring, it does like so much. I take some contour. It definitely goes down. I like that. And you can take your highlight and just kind of like go right under it. Oh, okay. Good high. And then you can take like a white. And then you can take like a small brush. And just kind of go right down your nose. And the other one just right on the tip. And then now you can go ahead and powder everything. Okay, now I'm going to do some powder contour. I'm just going to take this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this for my look today. I'm going to take a brown shade and just do a little. Like that. And then I'm going to start baking some. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So for today, I'm gonna go with a very like almost like cat eye to bring my face like really high up. So first I'm gonna map out my crease, and I'm just gonna take the shade Jolt and Smolder, the same shades I was contouring with, and I'm gonna put it like on the outer parts of where I want the cat eye to go up. And connecting it to my, and that's gonna be like the base. I'm gonna go in with like a red, and then like to kind of like bring the color to it. So now I'm gonna go in with Morphe M433. Now I'm gonna go in with the M441, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Unstoppable for M514. Kind of like deepen it, and I'm gonna go in with Red Alert. Because we're gonna go back in and like clean that up. I'm gonna go back to that M441. I'm gonna go in this like really orange shade, Explode, and then I'm gonna go in with Temptin. This is just gonna blend everything together. Now I'm gonna go with some eyeliner. I'm gonna go with the NYX Jet Black Gel Eyeliner. I'm gonna take a dirty brush, and you're just gonna go in and then look up. That's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna blend it into the shadow. So it's not gonna be like a full-on wing, it's just gonna like, I'm gonna go back into crease brush, the M433, into the brown and the black. You see how I just creased that like gradient? So now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go in with this white shade again. And just draw like a white line. Like that. And then now you can do your bottom line. So I'm gonna take warning label. It's like this really purpley shade. And just connect. This is gonna kind of like symbolize that I'm like wet. This is obviously inspired by the queen herself, but. So for blush, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade My Man. Once I go into my eyeshadow, and just go up. Before I go with some highlight, I am gonna go ahead and wipe off. Okay, now I'm gonna spray it on my face. This is the MAC Fix Plus Radiant. Now that my face makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put lashes on off camera. I'm gonna go get my hair piece and I'll be right back. Lipstick, this is Kat Von D in the shade Vampira. Follow me on my socials. My drag Instagram is paris.ite, and my personal Instagram where I post boy tutorial is foster.dutch. If you liked this video and you want to see more drag tutorials, click the like down below and subscribe.